Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Malaria and sickle cell anemia are linked by natural selection in this population. We need to find how removing malaria changes the allele frequency fast. The sickle cell allele is usually kept in the population because heterozygotes survive malaria better than others. This is called a heterozygote advantage, which maintains the harmful allele in the group. If malaria is eliminated by a new program, the survival advantage for heterozygotes completely disappears. Now, there is no longer a selective pressure keeping that specific sickle cell allele around anymore. Since homozygous recessive individuals face health risks, the allele frequency will naturally drop. This makes option C the winner for this biology challenge. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush. Trust the given data and check your steps carefully.